All right. So now, if you look at the shape, the whole shape is a rectangle, A, B, C, D, and you now have a triangle being cut out from the rectangle. And if you look at the rectangle, the length is given, we don't know the breadth. We are not given the width, which is BC. Now, from what we have here, you need to find the area of the shaded portion. Area of shaded portion is equal to rectangle, area of rectangle minus area of what? Triangle. So we must calculate the area of rectangle and calculate the area of what? Triangle. Now, from what we have there, we cannot find the area of the rectangle because we don't know the width, which is this place. So what are we going to do? We are going to go through some kind of process. We have to process it. How do we process this? If you bring out this triangle, we can get side AD. This is a right angle triangle. This will give us, now the topic we did the other time is now showing face here. This is opposite, this is adjacent, and this is what? Hypotenuse. So using SOHCAHTOA, you can find the opposite. Because we are given hypotenuse, which is 9, we
Yes.
are looking for opposites. So that means, which of the SOHCAHTOA are we going to make use of here? When you are given an opposite, when you are
Mm.
given an hypotenuse, you are looking for opposites. Which one are you going to use? Is this so?
The sign.
The sine. Good. That's good. Very good of you. That will be sine 48 degree equals to opposite. That is AD all over hypotenuse, which is 9. So when you cross multiply here, that will be AD equals to 9 times sine 48 degrees. So that is going to have uh, 48 degrees sine. We want to find the sine. So that will be 0.7431. 0. Where is it? 9 times 0.7174, sorry, 31. Let me check it. 7431. Okay, so we multiply it. That means AD times 9, 9 times 0.7431. So this gives 6.6, 6.7 rather, 6.7 centimeters. But if you want to round it up, we can round it up to whole number. That will going to give us 7. So that is,
7.
so we've known that one. So the next thing, area of triangle is base times height, right?
Yes.
Okay, good. Now the base is XD. We need to find that XD is the base. So this one is approximately 7 centimeters. So we need to
Mm-hmm.
we can use Pythagoras theorem to find side dx here. Let me clean this. I don't
Mm.
do it again. So I can use Pythagoras theorem to find this dx.
Okay.
All right. So which means since this one is 7 now, so Pythagoras, using Pythagoras theorem, so I'm going to have, which is hypotenuse squared equals to opposite squared plus adjacent squared. Hypotenuse here is 9 squared. Opposite is 7 squared. Adjacent is what you are looking for, which is dx. squared as well. So this is 81 equals to 49 plus dx squared. So that means 81 minus 49 equals to dx squared. So 81 minus 49 is equal to 32. So which means dx squared is equal to 32. So therefore dx is equal to square root of 32. And that gives, so we have square root 5.6, 5.7, which is approximately 6 centimeters. So this place is now 6 centimeters now. That's it.
Mm-hmm.
So having known that, then we have known all the parameters that we're going to use to find the area of the shaded portion. So I'll clean this now. I'll clean everything. I'll clean this again.
You just in one question we're having all this.
And now
Not too much.
it's not
Ah,
too much now. This one is not, this one is even small self.
no, nah, it's too much now.
Not at all. There are some that in fact you will clean, clean, clean but tire. I'm telling you, you clean but tire. Seriously speaking. So
All these ones are junior secondary school. Is it not too much for
no, no,
them?
no. Some of them you can see some of them in senior secondary.
Eh.
Yes, yes. In fact, there are some questions that are in junior that if you check why questions, you see them there.
Yes, it's true. That's true.
You see them there. So that is if a child is well grounded in the junior
Dead.
secondary
Yes.
school, such a child will not have problem with maths.
Problems. Yes,
So now,
that's true.
so shaded portion now will then be area of rectangle, which is length times breadth. The length is 12, the breadth is 7. And this will give us what? 7 times 12. What is that? Is that not 84? Don't mind me.
Can't even remember.
That is 84. So 84 centimeters squared. So area of triangle is equal to half times base times height. That is half
Hi.
times 6 times 7. 3, 2 here and 3. That will be 21. 21 centimeters squared. So area of shaded, this one that we're looking for, will then
Mm.
be 84 minus 21. So that gives us 63 centimeters squared. Lobaton. Lobaton.
It's too much.
It's not too much. It's too simple.
This question has grandchildren, no?
Uh, no, you know
So you first of all look.
the reason why it's longer
Okay.
is because I'm explaining and I want to break it down
Okay.
for you. If I want to do it,
Okay.
it won't be longer. It won't be up to this because I know what I'm looking for. I will just go through those ones, small, 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 small. I will get, but because I'm explaining, that's why it's longer. If I'm not explaining, you
Mm.
can it's very shorter. But when you are teaching, you have to make it let them see everything
Yes.
so that they will
That's
not be coming back and be asking questions again. Okay, let's look
yes.
for the
That's
other one. Question 5, right?
yes.
A piece of land. A piece of land is in the shape of the trapezium ABCD. CD. Okay. Using the given dimension, calculate the area of the land. They have already told you what you are going to use. They have mentioned the shape that is trapezium.
Yes.
So what you need to do is to recollect what is area of trapezium. Can you give me the area of trapezium? Area of trapezium? What's the formula?
I don't know. It's all those my play shape that I'm battling with.
Okay, the formula is simple. That is half over A plus B bracket H. Sometimes they will put the H on top of the 2 instead of it having them separately. So this will just be H. Then I would have to clean this one. What happened to my pen today? The eraser is not working. This is not there again. Alright? So that is the formula.
Is that H?
Yes, that's H. So what this is what
Okay.
I wrote H over 2 into A plus B. The A and B are the two parallel sides. The A here is
Okay.
120, the B is 180. So we pick the smaller one to be the A, the bigger one to be the B. Now,
Okay.
from this question, the only problem we have is we don't know the height. We don't know the height. How are we going to identify the height? That is where the problem is. So, and to do that is very, very simple. Are you with me? It's very
Yes.
simple. So, what we are going to do is we are going to draw a perpendicular line here that will give us the height. So, this is the height here. We are looking for
Okay.
the height, and that is what we are looking for. If you like, you can bring it to this side. I think the best place to bring it to is to this side because we have something there that we can make use of. So we have it,
Mm.
take it here. This is the height. This line here is the height. Now, everything here is 110. I have cut out 90 degrees. So this place
Mm-hmm.
20. This is 20 here. And this side is given to be 100. So if I should bring it out, excuse me. If I should bring
Sorry.
if I should bring the shape out, this triangle out, I'm going to have it this way. This place is 20, this place is 100, and this is the height I'm looking for. So which means I'm going to apply SOHCAHTOA here as well. I'm going to apply SOHCAHTOA to solve it. So which of the SOHCAHTOA am I going to use here?
Mm.
You need to identify the opposite,
That's the opposite. Uh-huh.
hypotenuse, and this is adjacent.
Why is that one the hypotenuse? Is that where angle 90 is?
Is facing. This is angle 90 here.
Oh, okay. Uh-huh. So we are looking for H, right?
Yes.
Adjacent.
Mhm.
And we have hypotenuse. Uh, wait, oh.
Yes, I mean,
Adjacent and hypotenuse. Okay, we are using what's that one called? Cosine.
cosine,
Ka.
that's car. So that's going to be
Yes.
cos 20 degrees equals to adjacent, that is h all over 100. So it is h you are looking for, that is 100 times cos 20. So use your calculator, 20 then cos, that is 0.9397. Okay, so we multiply. So when you multiply, you get 93.97. So approximately it's going to be 94. So the height is 94 centimeters. So we've known the
Mm-hmm.
height now to be 94 centimeters. So having known the height, so the next is now to find the area
Mm.
of the shape. So I don't need this one.
Mm.
94. We calculated 94. I'll print this. And the area is h over 2 into a plus b. So h is 94 over 2. A is 120 plus 180. That's all. So we then calculate. So we have, so that is 47 times 300. And that's going to give us 300 times 47. 14,100. 14,100 centimeters squared. Is it clear now?
Yes.
Okay. So that is that on this one for question number 5. Then for question 6, find the areas of the shaded portion. Okay. So the following in the following diagram. Okay. This is also simple as well.
It's simple.
Mm-hmm. It's simple. This is this should be for DS3 or SS1.
There's three. Oh,
Mm,
there's just three first.
mm. Okay. Now, when you have this kind of shape, this is what you're going to see. This is a sector. The O shape is a sector. How? How do I know that it's a sector? You can see you have 7 here. You have 7. That is the radius. And this is an arc.
Okay.
So once you have it this way, you know that it's a sector. And if you look at the shape that is not shaded, it is a semicircle.
Yes.
Aha. So which means you are going to you calculate the area of sector, then calculate the area of semicircle. You remove the area of semicircle from the area of sector. So the next thing is that what is area of a sector? So area of a sector is the first thing you're going to do. Area of a sector is theta over 360 times pi r square. So the theta is the angle the sector subtends at the center, and that is 90-degree here. So that is
How did you know?
you said?
Did you know it's 90 degree?
I will let you know that. I'm coming. So how do I know this? Very simple. Because this is giving me perpendicular. The the two radius are perpendicular from me looking at it. But if it's not
Oh,
perpendicular, so if it's not perpendicular, it will be stated there because there's no way you can determine the angle without knowing without the you can solve it without knowing the angle there. So it is perpendicular. So that is one. So the those people that said the questions here, they're supposed to have done something that will make students to know that this is perpendicular. So this is going to be 90
Okay.
over 360 times 22 over 7 times the radius, which is 7 squared. So 0 cancels 0, and 9 here and 9 here 4. So 7 will cancel one of the 7, 2 here 2, 2 here 11. So you have 77 yes over 2. So area of sector 77 divided by 2. Af- After this, I have to restart my system.
Okay, because of the
It is
pen.
no, it's just malfunctioning. You know, it just started this one. So that is 0.5. I have it 30.5 centimeters squared. So that's the area of the sector. So area of semicircle. What's the area of the circle?
Area of a circle is pi r square.
Pi r square. That is good. So that pi r square is what we're going to make use of here. Pi uh, and semicircle means half of a circle. So that's going to be half of pi r. That is pi 22 over 7. R, which is 7 times 7. 7 cancels 7. 2 here 1. 2 here 11. Oh, the radius is 7 over 2. Sorry. You know, the 7 here, the radius of this 7 circle here is the diameter.
Yes.
The radius of this, the diameter of this semicircle here is the radius of the sector. So, which means we are going to divide this 7 into 2 to give us what? Radius of the semicircle. So, that's why this 7 is over 2, 7 over 2.
Okay.
So, that's we're going to have 77 all over 4. So, 77 divided by 4. What I noticed is that's 19, you can see, 19 point, 19.25. So 19.25. So to now get the area of the shaded portion, it will be 38.5 minus
Minus 19
19.25.
point two four.
So 38.5 minus 19.25. So that is 19.25.
Mm.
So approximately 19 centimeters squared. So centimeters squared. Don't forget to put your squared. This is also supposed to be squared as well. So that is
Mm.
that on this one. So you have two questions there. I'm done with this page. I don't know that there are two pages there.
You don't know what?
That you sent two question pages.
Okay.
Mm, let me page the other one. Things from different. Okay.
All these things.
Mm,
This topic is under area of
Plane shapes.
this is not similar shape, right?
No. This is not similar shape. This area of plane shapes, composite shapes. We call it composite shape sometimes. Like when you have two shapes, you are removing one from the other one. So that's what we call
Okay,
composite.
that's for similar shape. Then
No.
this one is
This one is area of plane shapes.
okay, plain shapes.
Mm.
This one is not plain now. When we are having shaded portion, it's no longer
It's,
plain.
it's plane. It's plane shapes. Okay, I'm coming. Let me say this. The work on this is too much. I have to move some videos out of the system. Connection.
I think you just need to restart it.
Uh,
It will be fine when you restart it.
I have too much load on it. So
Too much.
yes, so I've sent someone to get me hard drive to put.
That's true. Even me, I had to get one yesterday because I have I did what's this called? I did Montessori diploma. And I had lots of pictures and
Oh,
videos to those their presentations. So
wow.
I had to just remove some of them and put in the hard drive.
Okay, you did it online.
No, physical. I did it physical.
Okay. All right. Okay. Here is this one now. This one is straightforward.
Okay.
It's something you can do. I'll, I'll explain how you're going to do it. Let me increase the size. You might increase the size. Okay. I think it's okay. So for this, you have to find the area of the shaded portion. That's okay. Guys, find the area of the shaded portion. I'm coming. So 1 minute, please. Okay. So if you look at, it's like a ring. You understand?
Yes.
This is like a ring. You have two circles. One is
Yes.
bigger and one is smaller. So it means you are cutting out the smaller one from the bigger one. You find the area of this bigger one and find the area of the smaller one. So the radius of the bigger one is 7 plus 5. That's going to give you 12. Why the
Okay,
radius?
you have to add them.
Yes, you can see the center here. So you add
Yes.
them. You add them. So that's 7
Okay.
plus 5.
Okay.
Then the area of the smaller one is 7. So
Mm-hmm.
area of the shaded portion will then be uh pi, let's say big R square, pi big R square minus pi small r square. So that will be 22 over 7 times big R 12 squared minus 22 over 7 small r 7 times 7. 7 cancels 7. All right. So here
Yes.
you can do the calculation. That's going to be 144 times 22 divided by 7. So you get 452.6. 452.6 minus 154. Is that clear?
Yes.
So we're going to have uh, 452.6 minus 154. That gives 299. So approximately 299 centimeters squared. So that is how you get that one. For
This
this,
one is pretty straightforward.
straightforward. I try to simplify the formula straight together. Okay, for the other one, okay, okay. This one is also easy. We have been given, we are looking for the area of the shaded portion here. And if you look at what you have there, this is a sector. This is a sector. So the radius of the bigger sector, we have two sectors there. The smaller
Okay.
one and the bigger one. So
Mm.
the radius of the bigger one will be the addition of 42 mm plus 21 mm. That will give us 53 mm. This is 53 mm. While the smaller one is 42 mm. So area now will then be theta over 360 pi big R squared minus theta over 360 pi small r squared. So the theta here is the 150. All right, that'll be 150
Yes.
over 360 times 22 over 7. R, the big R is 53, 53 square minus 150 over 360 times 22 over 7 times 42 squared. 0 cancels 0, 0 cancels 0. 3 can go here, 5. 3 can go here, 12. So let's use our calculator. 5, 12. Alright. So let's calculator to do the distance. We're going to have 5 times
Sure.
22 times 53 times 53. So this gives 308,990
Hmm.
divided by 12 times 7. 12 times 7, that is 84, divided by 84 minus, okay, this one too, 5 times 22 times 42 times 42. So that gives 194 40. 194 and then 40 divided by 84. So from here, this thing is just season. So from here we have, let me do calculation straight. So 3, 4, 8, 9, 19. So the answer is 1,368. 1,368 centimeters squared. So that is answer to that one. Is that clear? Hello? Are you there?
Sorry, yes, I'm here. I
Okay.
was even talking. I didn't know I muted myself.
Okay.
So you take away the small sector from the big one.
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
So that is how to do that one. So you are going to do the rest.
Okay.
I'll put you
I
through.
should do it now.
No, no, no. You do it later. You can do it later and send
Okay.
it to me. So what you are going to do is
Okay.
that you find the area of the circle. Huh?
Okay.
Oh, no, no, no.
Yes.
You can do it straight. You can do it straight. For the first one, C, just find the area of the sector, the this sector here is straightforward.
Okay.
This one is straightforward. Then for this one, you find the area of the circle
Okay.
and come here. Uh, how did they do this one? Oh, okay, I understand. So you find the area of the circle and find the area of the circle, then subtract the area of the sector from the circle. So
Okay.
that's what.
So you find the area of the circle
Mhm.
and then look for the area of the sector.
Yes,
Then you take away the area of the sector from the circle.
yes, exactly.
Okay.
Exactly.
I'll try it.
Okay. All right. So this is where we're going to stop today. So
Okay.
Let me stop the recording.